Model, 1997 Volkswagen Transporter 1.9 TD short wheelbase, camper conversion very nice, needs easy engine repair. Body, grey, camper. Mileage, 156445. Engine, 1896 cc E2DOE Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a top-end noise, very common camshaft is worn. Straightforward cheap replacement job, still starts and drives. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest camper van which has been well looked after.